Bienvenidos a Mexico. Welcome to Mexico. This is a room tour of the Hilton Playa del Carmen, the Junior Suite, Oceanfront. And I have some tips for you to make sure that you're getting the right room and you get a good price for this room, because so far, so good. Come in and you're gonna see you have a nice mirror on the wall. You also have some drawer space, and you also have your refrigerator, mini bar, all inclusive. It is included. So inside of here, you're gonna find sodas, you've got beer, you've got different kinds of liquor. There's some rum, it looks like, and also some vodka too. And if I didn't mention water, yes, plenty of bottled water so you can stay hydrated, because it's hot in Playa del Carmen. You also have a place to put your luggage if you want to do some unpacking. That goes right here. We'll flip around and come toward the bathroom area, and the first thing you see is your double sinks, which is great to have, so everybody has their own place to do what they need to do. You also have, before my wife calls me out, it's Crabtree and Evelyn, thumbs up. It's not Evelyn. Evelyn is, she girl next door. It's Evelyn, or Eveline, like the Wiz. So anyway, this is your products. She loves these products, my wife does. So you have that for soap, and you also have the body lotion. And if I didn't point out, also you have your waters here for brushing your teeth. You also have some hand sanitizer and wipes to make sure you can wipe down your surfaces if need be. Also your Kleenex for any stuffy noses. Inside the bathroom, come on in. You have a towel rack, a couple towels here, dryer towels. I assume also you can dry some of your beach wear in here if you want to. You also have a nice walk-in shower, decent size. It's a rainfall shower, and it's also got a handle too, so you can have the best of both worlds, from the top or all around, and get the full body wash if you want to as well. Inside, you also see there's a shelf to put your products. There's some more Crabtree and Evening products right there. You can also put your own products if you're bringing your own hair stuff or your own soap. And there's a seat as well if you want to sit down and kind of relax in the shower. So that's a nice thing. And also behind the door, there's your toilet too. So there's your bathroom. Come out here, you've got your closet. Now, this light right here is an on and off light. Now, this could be either very nice for you or it could be very annoying for you, depending on who you are. But I'm telling you ahead of time. So when you walk into this area of the room, this light turns on and off as you walk on through it. There's a sensor somewhere in here. So at night, if you're getting up and have to handle your business in the bathroom or get something else over here, want to go to get something to drink, this light will come on. So just so you know, so you're not startled, it'll do it every single time you pass through. And I don't know if there's a thing in here to turn it off. It's just here, it's part of the room, and it's fine. I find it okay. Into your closet, plenty of place to put your items, as well as a safe you can put a smaller laptop in here and other electronic items or valuables. Put that right there. And there's also a scale, which you don't need, especially at an all-inclusive resort, because you're gonna be eating and drinking and have a good time. If you're that kind of person that says, I'm gonna lose 5 pounds on vacation, bless up if that's you, but you don't really need to have a scale, but they have one here if you need to check. Other side of the closet, you have your hangers, you have your ironing board in case you want to take out any wrinkles, and some more room for luggage. There's not a lot of luggage space right here, just tell you, because this is a very small bag, and we've got 2 bigger bags that'll fight for space to get in here. So just so you know, you probably have to leave your bags on the side somewhere, so not a whole lot of luggage space. You might be able to put a bag or 2 where the scale is. So that might be what you do. Now, into the main part of the room. Walk in here, boom, this is your oceanfront junior suite. You can maybe see the ocean through the shears, but we'll get to that in a second. But you walk through, you have yourself a nice mirror so you can check yourself out before you go to dinner or before you go lay out by the pool. You wanna see what you're looking like, you can do that right there. When you come further in the room, you also see this nice size television. I believe it's about a 50-inch TV. And we have both US channels, and I saw Canadian as well. This is being shot on a NFL Sunday afternoon, and we turn the TV on, and there's football playing. So even though you're in Mexico, you can see American football if you want to. So don't worry about that. You'll be good to go. Turn around and we'll see the bed. King size bed and critters. These are our critters. Don't judge us. They travel well, and they're good to sleep on too. That's Cat Daddy. That's Bunny B. Those are the boys. So you have a nice king size bed, and on both sides you have your nightstand, which is great, and a Kindle B thumbs up for having plenty of plug space and USB space on the nightstand, because that is a pet peeve of mine, especially with everybody traveling with so many different devices. So not only do you have plugs on top of your little Bluetooth deal here, you have a USB here and one here, and then you have two plugs. You have them on the wall. You also have another USB A right here, and two more USB A's right here where the tablet is. So you've got plenty of room to charge so many things. Let me get to the tablet. This is where you can find out what's going on at the resort throughout the day. You can also get information on the restaurants that are open, spa treatments, activities, all this on this tablet, which is great. You can do it all here right inside your room. Plenty of light in here too. You can see there's lights right above the bed if that's too jarring for you. You have the mood lighting on the side of the bed right above the different panels of your nightstand. And there's also some drawer space too. Open that up, you can put some things in here if you need to. Make sure you check it before you check out, because if you put stuff in a lot of different places, you have more of a tendency to leave them. There is a fan above, and you'll get that, as well as the AC. The AC, whoa, she's going back. Easy now. There is a fan and the, she's tickled. There's a fan and there's AC, so you will be able to stay cool in this room. Now on to the sexy part of this room. Real sexy part of this room. This is a nice big tub, two-person tub, and we kind of laughed at the tub in the room when we saw the pictures, and we're like, why is the tub in the room? Well, it is for this reason. It is very nice. It's romantic or relaxing, depending on which way you want to go with it. It's pretty huge. When we saw pictures of this room online, the pictures really didn't do it justice. That's why I'm making this video for you to see, so you can judge yourself. This room is gigantic. It's over 600 square feet. And the tub in the other pictures we saw looks really close to the bed. Now it's close, but it's not that close. And it's for two people. You have jets on the back, so if you have a long day, you can get the water jets on your back, jets in the front too. And this is a very nice setup. Walk up, walk in, you're in your spa tub, and it's in the room. So this is a great way to kind of relax at the end of a day or start off the day, depending on how you want to do it. Now to the beachfront part. We'll get there here in just a second, but first, you have a nice couch that you can sit, relax, recline. Got a lamp here if you want to turn it on to do some reading. If by chance you need to do some work, you have an area where you can. You don't have really a plug over here to do that, so that would be kind of a bad thing if you needed to do some work while you're on vacation or you're visiting. But you have a table to do that here and some chairs, mainly set up here most likely for you to eat, because like I mentioned, there is 24-hour room service. So if you want your breakfast, lunch, or dinner here inside your room, you can do that your entire stay, which is a pretty good perk to have. Or you can take your food outside and eat beachfront, which is a beautiful thing. Let's go outside. So like I said, this is the junior beachfront suite. There are a couple of different room categories. So when you're booking, make sure you pay attention to them, because you have a junior suite that's oceanfront. You also have a suite that is beachfront walkout, which is more expensive. And then there's a beachfront swim up that's a little bit more expensive too. This room that we're in, 1133, gives you all of that without having to pay a little bit more money, because you're right next to the water and you're right next to the pool too. So boom, here we are. We have two chairs that you can sit and lounge in and put a drink or two down right here. You also have two longer loungers. You lay out a towel and just sit here and drink and have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner out here too. Now, we're going to go over this way, and you might see just beyond the Hilton Honors sign right there. If you're a Hilton Honors member like Alice and I are, make sure you check in at the Hilton Honors area and make sure that you get the right bracelet. There's a different color bracelet. I don't know if it's going to be this color when you come, but it's a Hilton Honors bracelet, and it gives you access to the Hilton Honors, what they call Beach Club, and you have special privileges, including breakfast and lunch served to you on the beach from Pelicano's restaurant, which is right nearby. So the servers will come out to you at your cabana, beach cabana, bring you breakfast and lunch, and you can be there from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Those are the current hours that this is. And then the pool is right here. You can walk right to the pool and dip into there as well. And you can see the other buildings on the side. There's building 2 and 3. And then, of course, then there's the beautiful ocean, which is where we are, oceanfront. So yes, this is the room that we've been wanting to get into and wanting to show you, because most of the junior suites look the same here at the Hilton Playa del Carmen, but then you have to see some are garden views, some are swim ups. This is the ocean front. So if you're going to do that room, try to find one in one of these buildings where it's on the ground. They have nice ones that are on the second floor and also on the third floor that have balconies, which would be great too. So it just kind of depends on how you want to play it. You want to walk out directly to the beach, you want to walk down the stairs or take the elevator down, that's fine. This room is huge. It is nice, it's oceanfront, it is vacation, it is Playa del Carmen, it's the Hilton all-inclusive resort, and I believe we're gonna have a great time. Hopefully you enjoyed this room tour. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. Trying to get as many of y'all on the channel as possible because we got a lot of other great things to do. I'm gonna show you more around the Hilton Playa del Carmen in another video coming really, really soon. So like, subscribe, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful time, and come on down to Mexico.